was the first day we got him.
Hi, girls. Hi, Sierra.
I'll show you that.
Hey, babies. Sparky's crying. He wants to play with you. You hear Sparky crying? Oh, look at Sparky looking in there. Let me see my sissies. Let me see my sissies. If I go back up, we can get the whole thing a little bit. Oh, my sissies are in there. Look at them.
Sissy, sissy.
Sierra and Courtney. Oh, there goes Courtney.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, they're talking.
See, it gets...
Ooh, they're talking to Daddy. Look. You hear them, Spark? That's girls. Let me see my boy. Hey.
Good boy.
Hey, girls. No, I don't want to see your backside. I gotta turn it off. Let me see that boy.
What are you going to do, jump in?
Look at you. Now look at that. Look at that tail wagging. That boy. That tail. Look how he loves his sisters. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Okay, we gotta shut her off because Facebook don't take a long. Can you both turn around and look at me? Oh, we still gotta